Eussen here, and today we're speaking with Stephen Moore from the Site Foreman. Welcome, Stephen.
Morning, John.
So what does fixed price actually mean?
Fixed price means that when you sign a building contract, the price is the price. Unless you change your mind about something during the build, or we hit what's called a latent condition, which is a condition that a builder couldn't be aware of prior to tendering the job, which is quite unusual. It doesn't happen very
I
often.
think I like the sound of that. I mean, because we hear about renovations, we hear about builds and blowouts. And one of the questions I wanted to ask was how do you stick to budget? But what you're saying is if you are quoting on a fixed price, really that solves that issue, doesn't it?
Absolutely, and it all ties back to the architectural design, and the relevance of that is we want to spend time with you going through your design. It's very important that we spend enough time, we don't rush through that process, so that you have a full understanding of what's going to be delivered. And to that end, all our architects work in a three-dimensional program called Revit. It means the clients are presented with not only two-dimensional, so floor plans and elevations, we're also able to show that as a three-dimensional form. And what that does is help clients understand what the product is that they're going to be delivered, and then that follows through to construction, meaning that there's less chance of opportunity that clients can change their mind about something.
I guess, is it more cost effective to engage in a company like the Site Foreman where you have the architect and the build in the one spot?
Absolutely. Purposely, back end of our office here, it's an open plan situation where the architects are talking to the project managers and the project managers are talking to the architects. They're not seen as two adversaries working against one another. We work here as a team. So if the architect has got a fabulous idea but not quite sure about the buildability, we'll go and have a chat to one of the project managers. Similarly, during the build, the client might look at changing something. The project manager will go and talk to the architect whether we're going to have any architectural impact by making those changes.
Right. Well, clearly, if you have a renovation project or a build on the go, the Site Foreman is the company to find out about. Would you please thank Stephen Moore from the Site Foreman?